freaking cute. Like, I cannot take this. I really did. I did it. I literally did it. Like, it's... All right, y'all. So this is like my first little tutorial. And I think I'm gonna do a voiceover. So cue voiceover now.
Hey y'all, so normally I'm recording all of my tutorials, everything on TikTok. So this is my first official YouTube natural hair tutorial. So I did a perm rod set. Of course, I looked on YouTube for it and it came out beautifully as you saw in the beginning. So all you're gonna do is, I started out with stretched hair. I took my hair and instead of using a comb attachment or anything like that because it rips through your curl pattern, I stretched my hair completely out with a bit of heat protectant and then pulling in a downward direction. I'm just going to pull that blow dryer right over it. It's going to stretch my curls completely out without me ripping through my hair. You'll notice that you get the most damage and stuff like that when you do heat styles, when you don't preserve the curl pattern. So the workaround for this is just using the tension method. So simply split your hair into 4 sections. You can split into further sections depending on the density of your hair. And then you'll take a paddle brush towards the end, pull in a downward direction still, and just work in a downward direction. I find that it's better than a comb attachment because I can get my roots much straighter. But do whatever works for you. I think this style really worked on stretched hair because I didn't have to worry about my hair reverting as much, and I had more length, and I just overall enjoyed it. So I'm going to show my entire blow dry process right in here. I'll probably crank the music up because I don't want it to be dry and boring. But I would definitely suggest, if you're doing this for like a silk press or anything, the tension method is definitely the way to go. Like I said, all in a downward direction. Then you pull out your paddle brush and you work it on through. Now I'm new to this, so you guys let me know in the comments if this is stuff I should be leaving in, taking out. Do you like to see the whole process? I really don't know. On TikTok and Instagram, it's usually 1 minute, and on the shorts, it's like 15 seconds. So let me know in the comments if you like to see it all or you don't.
Alright, I'm done with the tutorial, y'all. It is done. I hope you enjoyed that piece. We're gonna go into another piece. Oh, perm rods.
Hair pulled tight with my hand. Like, see how sleek my hair got? Now I'm going to grab.
So as you can hear in the background, I got my YouTube girl on. I watched like 20 different videos. All I'm doing is I'm going in with the Orange Perm Rods. That's based on the density of my hair and the length of my hair and the kind of curl I wanted. I'm going to be doing the corkscrew method, so I'll show you in detail. But I'm just taking a section of my hair the size of the roller. So you take the roller, you place it to the scalp, or you can just do it visually. That's going to tell me what size the section needs to be. I ended up using about 32. The products that I went in with was the PRG Beauty Strengthening Cream. It has a light hold and it adds a bit of shine, but it doesn't cause any product buildup. And I used the Lotta Body Mousse. These 2 products were absolutely perfect for shine, control, all of it. All I'm going to do is apply it to my fingertips and apply it to the hair. This was my first one, so I was kind of scared, kind of nervous, didn't know what to do. I used a boar bristle brush to brush it through as taut as possible. And you'll notice as I kept going, I used a bit more product, and I really made sure I really brushed that product all the way through and got the hair as straight as possible. Starting at the end, I wrapped my hair around, then wrapped it up and twisted it backwards. So wrap, and then twist it around. Wrap, and then twist. Try and keep the hair as taut as possible. I went back in, redid that one. It was totally fine. But honestly, I could have kept it because when I unrolled it, it was perfect. I didn't know what I was doing. I made sure the band was on top of the hair so that it held well and I wasn't getting any breakage, and then I just kept it moving. So once again, I'm just going in with the Lotta Body Mousse that I saw everybody use, and it did work for my hair. This is on stretched hair. Then I had the strengthening cream as well, and I took my boar bristle brush. That's the hard side, not the soft side. We call it a boy brush. What do y'all call it? And then I brushed it all the way through as straight as possible because, of course, when moisture starts to touch my natural hair, which is 4B low porosity, is going to revert. Then I undid my rod. Totally unsanitary, but whatever, it's my rod. Took the ends, rolled it around, roll it up twice, pull it taut, and then twist it around in a corkscrew kind of method. I'm telling you, this thing worked so well. It's literally like the easiest style I've ever done. I think it's totally cute. You should definitely try it. And then I'll let you know how it was as far as the takedown. It's definitely not a protective style, but it's really cute if you want to show off real quick with your natural hair. So it's just going to speed up. I think I'm going to turn up the music. You kind of get the idea. If you don't, let me know. I can create a few shorts for this as well. Or you can check out our TikTok. And we'll go from there.
Now it's time to dry. I really don't know if I'm doing a voiceover or if I don't know, but my music's not playing right now, so I can talk to y'all. How you doing? About to break this thing. I just got it. I got my Andis dryer. I've already dried overnight, but I'm just showing you what I did. I did an hour in this and then I slept, and it was a rough night.
I don't think anybody says in any of these videos just how uncomfortable perm rods are to sleep in. They were so uncomfortable. I mean, I don't know how you get around them. With the exception of you could probably just use your bonnet dryer. My hair was definitely dry within an hour, but I slept in them to make it set. Make sure it completely sets. But I imagine if you do this early in the day, do 1 hour under the dryer or even air dry during the day, take them things out. They were hurting so bad, or sleep, you know, with your neck propped up. That's not crazy. Anywho, so I'm just going in with some of the PRG Penetrative Growth Oil, and then I'm applying it to my fingertips to make sure I undo it. The way I'm undoing it is just twisting it in the direction or the opposite direction that I rolled them, and they come right off. I'm trying not to disturb them much at all, but you'll see my wash. I washed my hair with the PRG Detoxing Shampoo and the Thickening Fresh Mint Conditioner, and those two, my hair is literally shining from within, so I don't have to really go in with any kind of crazy oils or anything like that on top of it because my hair is so shiny from inside. So I'm really loving the way it came out.
It's so cute! Y'all, my hair is so freaking cute. Like, I cannot take this. I really did. I did it. I literally did it. Like, it's...
If you had headphones, I'm so sorry, but the way I was loving this takedown, it was absolutely perfect. So I'm just going through taking down. If you don't already follow us on TikTok, we have almost 600,000 subscribers up there. It's totally awesome. I think I was on live at this point. We normally go live with hairstyles. We have full-length tutorials. We have series that are in parts if you just want pieces. And of course, we're over here. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We're up to 80-something thousand up here. Thank each one of you. If you don't follow our Instagram, we have about 50,000 followers over there. So make sure you click all of those links that are in the bio and give us a follow on each of those sites. But that's it, you guys. This is how the Perm Rod set came out. I'm just going back in again with some of that penetrating growth oil from PRG Beauty. This is my fingertips. It has vitamin E, argan oil, all of that good stuff. It's really light, which is awesome. So I'm just applying it to my fingertips and then going through and separating each curl. I think around this time, my camera was starting to get full or die or something, but that's okay. So all I did was separate it, twist the curl in the direction that I wrapped, and I separated each curl about 6 times. So on camera, I've only done it like 3 times, but I definitely went back in and separated it again. With me separating it that much on the first day, I honestly don't care because I'm going to style my hair again, but it won't last as long. I think this style lasted probably like 2 or 3 days, and that was it. But it was enough for me, and then I went into a protective style because this is not a protective style, like I said. Then I shook the curls to separate more. I took my pick. I picked my hair completely out. I have to tag the girl that I saw how she disrupted her curls and left it pretty. If I can remember her page or find her page again, I will definitely leave it in the bio. Anywho, so pick, and then I separated again after this, and then to stretch them, I just grabbed my blow dryer. I took sections, probably about 6 sections across my head. I pulled them in a downward direction using that tension method again. And then I just stretched the curls out. This will not have your hair last as long, but it's super cute. So if you're going for the cutest style first day, definitely do it. If not, leave them set and let them drop on their own. I'm sure it'll be cute as well. So this is where I leave you guys. I'm just gonna kind of like flex at the end. So my hair came out so cute. But if you aren't already, go ahead and give us a follow on every page. We're trying to get our watch hours now. So if you made it to the end of the video, leave me a whoop whoop in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. I'm going to try and post tutorials every 3 days. So if you don't see one in a few days, hold me to it and let me know. Leave me a comment. Bye.